Keeps your car smelling fresh, eliminates odors, enhances comfort, and improves every drive. Today's video is about top 5 best car air freshener long-last fragrance that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Amor Lyris Car Air Freshener. The Amor Lyris CO01 Car Air Freshener Diffuser offers a premium way to keep your vehicle smelling fresh and inviting. Using advanced ultrasonic mist technology, it produces a fine, visible fragrance mist while operating quietly, making every drive more enjoyable. The diffuser features 5 adjustable spray modes, allowing you to customize scent intensity based on your preference. Its large 100 ml refill capacity is impressive, with a single bottle lasting up to 5 to 6 months under normal use. The natural essential oil blend is alcohol-free, non-toxic, and effective at reducing unpleasant odors such as smoke and fuel smells. The reusable glass bottle design is both eco-friendly and stylish. A unique RGB lighting system adds a modern touch, with sound reactive and ambient lighting modes that enhance the cabin atmosphere. Smart vibration sensing automatically turns the device on when driving and off when the vehicle is stationary, helping conserve battery life. With long-lasting performance and responsive customer support, this diffuser is a practical and elegant car accessory. Now our second product is Hitolza Car Air Freshener. The Hitolza Smart Car Air Freshener combines innovative design with effective fragrance delivery to create a more enjoyable driving experience. Inspired by the beauty of Niagara Falls, its unique waterfall-style design adds a stylish touch while gently dispersing a refreshing aroma throughout your vehicle. Powered by an advanced A8 Pro Smart chip, the diffuser automatically turns on when vehicle movement is detected and powers off when the car is parked, providing effortless operation. Its ultrafine misting technology atomizes fragrance into tiny particles, helping the scent spread evenly and last longer without relying on harsh chemical additives. The included natural, alcohol-free essential oil refills are non-toxic and designed with safety in mind. With 2 refills capable of lasting up to 6 months under typical use, maintenance is minimal. The built-in 900 mAh battery offers up to 14 days of use on a single charge and recharges in about an hour. Stylish, smart, and long-lasting, the Hitolza Air Freshener is an excellent addition to any vehicle. Our third product is Ceeniu Car Air Freshener. The Ceeniu F26 Car Air Freshener is a premium fragrance diffuser that combines modern technology with elegant design. Its ultrasonic mist system releases a visible, fine fragrance mist that spreads evenly throughout the vehicle, creating a more refreshing and enjoyable driving environment. Built with a durable aluminum alloy exterior and dual leak prevention design, the F26 is made for long-term reliability. The smart motion sensing feature automatically turns the diffuser on when the car is in motion and off when parked, providing a completely hands-free experience. Battery performance is another standout feature. A full 2-hour charge can power the device for up to 2 months, minimizing the need for frequent recharging. The SGS-certified French fragrances are natural, alcohol-free, and safe for families, including pregnant women, children, and seniors. Each refill can last up to 4 months, offering excellent value. With responsive customer support and a strong reputation among drivers worldwide, the Ceeniu F26 is an excellent choice for keeping your car fresh, stylish, and inviting. Now number 4, Tyrikuu Car Air Freshener. The Mahogany Teakwood Hanging Car Air Freshener is an excellent choice for drivers who prefer natural, long-lasting fragrance. Made in the USA with pure essential oils, it delivers a clean and inviting scent without relying on harsh chemicals, making it safe for both people and pets. The hanging diffuser design is simple to install and attaches easily to a rear-view mirror without obstructing visibility. When the fragrance begins to fade, a slight tilt of the bottle helps refresh the scent, extending its effectiveness. One of its biggest strengths is longevity. The 2 included 8 ml bottles can provide up to 90 days of continuous freshness while helping eliminate common odors from food, smoke, pets, and daily use. The reusable glass bottle also makes it an eco-friendly alternative to disposable air fresheners. The Mahogany Teakwood fragrance offers a sophisticated blend of fresh green notes, delicate lavender, and rich mahogany and teakwood. The result is a warm, elegant, woodsy aroma that enhances every drive throughout the year. And our last choice is Meguiar's Car Air Freshener. Meguiar's Whole Car Air Refresher is a highly effective solution for eliminating stubborn vehicle odors and restoring a fresh, clean interior. Designed as a one-time use odor-fighting mist, It works through your vehicle's ventilation system to reach every corner of the cabin, helping remove smells from smoke, food, pets, gym gear, and everyday use. The standout feature is its island volcano scent, a sophisticated blend of exotic citrus, white tea, and driftwood that leaves the interior smelling luxurious and inviting. Unlike many traditional air fresheners that simply mask odors, this formula actively combats unwanted smells while delivering long-lasting freshness that can remain noticeable for weeks. Its versatility makes it suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and even boats. The application process is simple and requires minimal effort, making it convenient for busy vehicle owners. Backed by Meguiar's long-standing reputation in automotive care, this air refresher is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a quick, effective, and premium interior odor solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.